We've got a brand new Nespresso machine, so let's go ahead and open it up so we can test it out. First up, we have a couple of brochures. The second one looks to be the user manual. And in a separate, smaller box, we have what I believe is the pods that the machines come with. We'll take a closer look at that shortly. And nestled inside some protective foam and clear plastic bag is the machine itself. It looks to be pretty compact, so I'm not worried about it taking too much countertop space. For now, I have set up the machine on a kitchen table and you can really see how narrow it is. At the back is the water chamber, which will hold up to 24 fluid ounces or zero point 0.8 liters. There's also the power cord that you can plug into a wall outlet. At the top, there are two buttons so you can select the size for your coffee, either 40 mils or 110 mils. Let's go ahead and make our first cup of coffee. The first step is to lift the handle towards the back, which opens up the pod chamber. This machine came with a set of pods, so I'll stick one into the chamber. The pod goes in on its side with the flat top facing outwards towards you. To close the pod chamber, pull the handle forward. I've got a coffee cup here that we'll place onto the drip tray directly under the spout, and then we're going to select the larger size cup. This thing heated up in less than 30 seconds, and as you'll see, as soon as it starts brewing, you can see the steam. Once it finishes brewing, it also has an auto standby after 9 minutes. In the meantime, here's the set of pods the machine came with. There are a total of 16 different flavors to try. I found this machine extremely easy and quick to set up. It's very compact and takes up very little space. There are also many brands of capsules that you can use with this machine, and the coffee comes out hot and delicious every single time.